Pinoy Kapalaran, Pinoy Kapalaran, oh, Pinoy Kapalaran.
Magandang araw mga ka-Zodiac! Welcome sa ating segment na Lucky Lotto Numbers. Halina't alamin kung ano ang swerteng numero para sa araw na ito base sa zodiac sign mo. Kaya mga ka-Zodiac, good vibes lang at palaging maging positive ang mindset, huwag rin kalimutang magdasal sa taas para sa dagdag na swerte. Kunin na ang inyong papel at lapis at baka ikaw na ang susunod na lotto winner.
Habang pinapanood natin ang ating mga lucky numbers, heto naman ang isang inspiring story na pampagood vibes sa inyong lahat.
Emil Soriano, 28, had been riding his motorcycle through the streets of Metro Manila for 3 years as a food delivery rider. Every day, from morning rush to late-night orders, he zipped through traffic, rain or shine, just to earn enough to send money to his parents in the province and cover his own bills in the city. One evening after a long shift, Emil stopped at a convenience store for a quick snack. He noticed the lotto terminal wasn't busy, so on a whim, he bought a ticket using his usual delivery route numbers, building codes, street numbers, and the digits from his rider ID. It was something he did once in a while, not really expecting anything. A few days later, while waiting for an order to be prepared, Emil scrolled through his phone and checked the lotto results. At first, he didn't believe it. He had matched 5 numbers. The prize? 160,000 pesos. His hands trembled as he stared at the screen. It wasn't a jackpot, but it was more than 5 months' worth of deliveries. He kept the news to himself for a few days, processing the win. Once the money was released, he immediately paid off the remaining balance on his motorcycle, lifted a huge weight off his shoulders. He also sent a large chunk home to his parents, who used it to renovate their small sari-sari store. Instead of celebrating big, Emil upgraded some of his gear, a better helmet, raincoat, and phone mount for safer rides. He also treated himself to a new pair of shoes, replacing the worn-out ones he'd been using since his first day on the job. With the remaining money, he started saving. He opened a bank account for the first time and put together a small emergency fund. He had dreams of opening a milk tea stall or a small burger stand, and now those dreams felt more reachable than ever. His fellow riders eventually found out and congratulated him. Some asked if he would quit. Hindi pa, he said, but now I'm riding with a goal. He still showed up for his shifts, still beat traffic, still smiled at every customer, but now with a quiet fire in his chest. Weeks passed and the wind faded into the background, but Emil's life had changed. He was no longer just surviving, he was planning. He watched videos on small business tips during breaks and talked to suppliers in his free time. By year's end, Emil had saved enough to test a small food cart business on weekends. He worked double shifts sometimes, but it was worth it. The lotto win wasn't a finish line, it was a spark. Emil's story inspired his fellow riders. Not because he became a millionaire overnight, but because he showed what could happen when luck meets discipline. And when a rider doesn't just chase deliveries, but dreams too.
Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood at laging tandaan, hindi hawak ng mga bituin ang ating kapalaran. Gabay lamang ito. Meron po tayong wisdom at free will na pwede nating gamitin. Sa mga hindi pa po nag-subscribe, i-click lang ang subscribe button, pati na rin ang bell icon para lagi kayong updated sa ating daily horoscope.